Hello again, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna share with you how to make this really good, really healthy nectarine juice. Very easy to do, just a few ingredients and you can have it. It's better than the ones they sell in the shops. You can see how thick it is and beautiful, very easy to do. So first thing, I have 1 kg of nectarine. I just removed the stone in the middle and I kept the skin on. So I have here 3 small carrots with it as well, and I'm gonna cover it with the water, just normal water, and a little bit of sugar, just really little because they're already sweet. And then I'm gonna bring them to the boil until the water starts to boil for a few minutes, and then when they cool down I'm gonna put them in a mixer straight away and just blend them to a juice. Very easy to do, as I said. You just need the 3 carrots and nectarine or peaches. You can also use peaches. You can see that's how it you can keep it like that if you want, but I'm gonna add some more orange juice if you want it more a little bit thinner or lighter. So I'm gonna add orange juice to it, or also you can add lemon juice, or you can also add water if you want. If you want it more sweet, you can add more sugar, but I just kept a little bit of sugar that I put in the beginning because the nectarine was already sweet. But if it's not, you can add more sugar. Also, you can use peaches instead, and as you can see, very easy to do, very quick, and you can make it at your own home instead of buying it from outside. At least you know exactly what you put in it. So 1 kg of nectarine made me 3 liters of nectarine juice, as you can see. So thank you for watching, and I will see you again soon. Bye.